Okay. Well, do you know who I would speak to or who I can call or schedule a walkthrough with?
Well, it's your lucky day. I'm the one.
Oh, well, good gosh darn it. All right. Well, when can I come and meet with you?
Well, are you close by now, or I mean, it's just some way you said you saw the building, but I didn't know.
Well, I actually.
Are you in?
Well, I actually left because when I saw it, I should have just stopped by, but I didn't know if I can actually come in. So I kind of just kept driving, but something said to just give you a call. How long will you be there? If I could just come back?
Yeah, I mean, if you're not too far away, we can do it now, or you can come back tomorrow. I don't know, whatever. I'm here most days.
Oh, because I step out of the office. When I get back to the office, I'll give you a call back, and then I can send you an invoice, and we can actually submit payment that way, just for tax purposes.
Okay, that'll work. Okay, great. Thank you. Appreciate
Being consistent. So that's one thing that we are consistent, and we come with a checklist for when it comes to, move and move outs and any type of amenities or anything like that. So
yeah. Awesome. Well, do you guys do you do turn cleaning as well?
yeah, we do that.
For new available units and stuff?
Yeah, absolutely. We are licensed and insured. Do you guys go through like a compliance depot company?
Oh, sorry. Say that one more time.
do you guys go through like a compliance company, like a third party that verifies insurance and stuff like that?
I'm not sure. I believe we do, but I know we have a legal department on site, and they handle a lot of that insurance-related things.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not positive how that all works, but I know we typically, for our vendors, we do kind of put them through a little bit of like a, I don't know how to put it, like an assessment period, just to see how they're doing, and then decide if we want to continue with their services and that sort of thing, and just to see if they would be a good fit for our company as a regular vendor. We're always looking for good turn cleaners, and that's a good price for us as well.
Hello everyone, my name is Mary. I am from the Savannah, Georgia area. I am the owner of Mary Had a Little Lamb Cleaning. I have had my cleaning business since about 2020. And since I opened my cleaning business, it has been very hard for me to find leads that are actually legit and not get scammed. Since I have hooked up with Miss Tamika has gotten me 2 contracts so far. My cleaning business is starting to create income at $23,000 a month. I am so grateful for Miss Tamika, because without Miss Tamika and her coaching skills, I would have not got the contracts that I have. If you are a cleaning business owner and you feeling stuck and you don't know what to do in your business, hit Miss Tamika up. Miss Tamika will do everything to make sure that you get your contracts. I have 2 contracts with her so far. That's only 2, but we getting somewhere. If you are a cleaning business owner and you don't know what to do, please hit up Miss Tamika and tell her I sent you. Thank you.
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Yes, girl. How does it feel, girl?
It feels great. It really does, because I was a little worried, like, no, I need this really bad for my people, and I'm just gonna go in there and get it. So it was pretty good to talk to her, because she just had a whole different, I don't know, I don't even feel like it was the same person that you talked to.
Wow.
I don't know what was going on, but I just think that they have so many people overseeing so many different properties, and maybe when she gave you those amounts, she was talking about what she might be paying cleaners at her location, but she was sending us to some other location. I don't know. It just didn't even sound like the same thing.
Starting route to the valley.
She was super cool.
Proceed to Ballstrom Road.
And I
Then
gave her
turn
my
left.
whole spiel, and she was, trying to listen to me. But I think overall they really, really wanted to work with us, because she was like, I looked at your reviews already. I already checked all your stuff out, and we really wanted to work with a company like yours. But we don't want you to come down to our budget. It seemed like they were so concerned about being fair to us, and I'm trying to be fair to them. And,
Right.
And so I just think it's going to be a really good relationship.
Oh,
Yay!
That
I
is
am
good.
like super excited.
Yes.
Yes.
She was like, send over your W-9 so I can hurry up and get you in the system. I'm like, oh, it's coming. It's
Let's
coming. Here
go. Yes.
So,
Yes, Kim. I am like so happy for you. That's exactly what you needed. Did they talk about the other properties?
Other properties besides the 2?
Yeah. Well, no. You got both properties, right? Or is it just one?
No, it's 2.
Yay! Okay,
Oh my
good.
gosh.
Good.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm
Wow.
thrilled. The pricing is fair to me.
Well, I wanted to call you and give you some good news. You remember the account that we walked yesterday?
Yes.
With the second and the fourth floor and then the lobby.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we got the account, so
Whoop whoop.
that account. Yeah, he likes the company and everything like that, so he wants to go with us, and you can start tonight. All right, will you be able to start tonight?
Yes, okay.
Okay, perfect. All right, so I'm gonna need for you to do everything you can to make sure you uphold this contract. It is your contract, right?
Got you. Okay, and I did get the contract with Miss Judy too. I called her this morning and she said she was getting ready to email me back. So we got 2.
Woo.
So that is
Okay.
so that
Yeah.
that is good. So how you feeling?
That's what I'm talking
Good,
about.
good. I'm ready.
So do you feel like that was worth it?
Yes.
Great.